In this video, I am going to show you how to mine Fun token on any Mac. So let's roll that intro. The first step is to download the miner. Link is given in the description. Download the miner using these links. Choose the suitable one for your Mac. To check the compatibility, go to the About section here. Here you will see your operating system version. Here you can check the type of graphics in your Mac, whether it is Intel or Apple M1. After the miner is downloaded, extract it. Once it's extracted, open the folder. Select Config File, and open it with Text Edit. Scroll down to this section. Mining pool is given here. If you have any issues with mining pool, copy-paste the suitable one given in the description. Or change the default port to alternative port. Copy and paste your Fun token wallet address here. If you don't have a wallet, check the video link in the description for creating wallet on world's best crypto exchange. Name your worker here. Make sure the data is in this format. After your wallet address and worker is given, close the text edit. Now, open the xmrig file. This pop-up will appear, click OK. Now go to System Preferences. Select Security and Privacy. Go ahead and click Open anyway. Another pop-up will appear, click Open. Now you are mining Fun token. Click H to check hash rate. Let us leave it for a few minutes. After running the miner for a few minutes, open the web dashboard to check your mining stats. To get your mining stats, go to this page, link in the description. Copy and paste your Fun token wallet address here. Here you will see your mined balance, mining stats, payout, and you can get your own referral code here, and your miner stats. You can turn this on to start auto pay. That's it for this video. Hopefully you got this miner set up. Let us know what you think in the comment section. If you like the video, give it a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.